Have you ever thought Excel can VLOOKUP any picture based on the cell value? Now it is possible with macro tab. I have an animal list. I want to change the animal picture when I change the animal name here. To make this easier to understand, type equal picture lookup. Then press tab, but no any arguments, right? Because in Excel, custom made equation does not show the argument. To view it, you need to press this function button. Now you can see the arguments. So if you want to look up any picture based on the cell value, we have to give only two main arguments. One is full file path of the picture. Full means you have to give the file path including the picture name and the picture extension file type. Then where you need to put the picture in the Excel. That's what mean by cell location. Then the image index number. That means we will give that image a number reference. Okay. So if we complete these three arguments, we will get the successful result. First, file location. All my images in this folder, and you can see the names in the Excel file and the image name is same, and all the pictures is in PNG format. So I will put the file path here and paste it. In the cell last folder also need to be closed. So I will add backslash because pictures are in that folder. Then the image type, I will type .png, and I want to put the image name here to change the picture. Okay. Then I will create the full file path by joining these cells. You can use concatenate formula or ampersand sign to join it. I will do with the ampersand sign, equal this cell, then the ampersand, the image name, ampersand, and the file type. Okay. Now I got the full path with the image name. Then I will do the lookup formula, equal picture lookup, then give the file location. Even we created another cell with the equation to get the full file path. You can even type all those ampersand signs directly in this formula, same like we are using in other formulas. Okay. Then comma, I will select this cell range as the picture location. Again comma, then I will give the index number as 1. Now done. Immediately I got the result. Then I change the name, picture got changed as well. Remember, here should come the exact picture name. Okay. But if your Excel name list and the picture names are different, you can make another list to match with the picture name and the Excel name and use VLOOKUP to merge those things. Okay. However, what if you need multiple pictures? Here we done for only one picture, right? It is possible too. I'll type equal file path for each picture, same file path, then the picture name and the file type. Picture index number, I will put numbers. Then equal picture lookup, location, comma, I will give this cell only, then the index, I will select this cell and drag the formula. We got all the result. Okay. If I explain what we done with the image index number in the equation, if the index number is same for image, that will replace that image with the new image. But when we give different numbers for each picture, it will not be replaced. Okay, that's what this index number do. Now all done. If you want to remove all the pictures in one go, type select object in this search, then select all the images, delete it. Now all cleared as well. Remember, with macro step you can do the things you haven't thought of, like this picture lookup. See you.